There are plenty of Excel formulas and functions depending on what kind of operation you want to perform on the data set. We will look into the formulas and functions on mathematical operations, character text functions, data and time, some if count if, and few lookup functions. It's been quite a while since I wrote about my favorite application, Microsoft Excel. When I'm not using different combinations of formulas and applying beautiful styles to my spreadsheets, I find that there are many fantastic tools within Excel that many people have never used. These tools aren't actually hidden, but if you don't know what you're looking for, you can easily miss them. Here are my 7 favorite Excel tools that you can start using today. This is a fairly well-known tool, but I still often find people who don't know it exists. When you have a spreadsheet with enough data that you are required to scroll, have you ever wished that you could still see the top row that has the headings? There are 2 ways to solve this. The first is to format your data as a table. When consistent data entry is crucial in whatever work you do, but especially conditional formatting has far more uses than can be explained in a single blog post. After you use conditional formatting to identify all the duplicate values, the now function in Excel gives the current system date and time. The result of the now function will change based on your system date and time. Many people know how to use the sort tool to sort alphabetically or numerically, but did you know you could sort by formatting as well? For example, if you use conditional formatting to highlight duplicates, you can sort by color to put all unique values at the top of the spreadsheet. The month function returns the month, a number from 1 to 12, where 1 is January and 12 is December. The year function, as the name suggests, returns the year from a date value. The time function converts hours, minutes, seconds given as numbers to an Excel serial number, formatted with a time format. The hour function generates the hour from a time value as a number from 0 to 23. Here, 0 means 12 a.m. and 23 is 11 p.m. The function minute returns the minute from a time value as a number from 0 to 59. The second function returns the second from a time value as a number from 0 to 59. The dateDiff function provides the difference between 2 dates in terms of years, months, or days. Example of a dateDiff function where we calculate the current age of a person based on 2 given dates, the date of birth and today's date. The if function checks a given condition and returns a particular value if it is true. It will return another value if the condition is false. In the example, we want to check if the value in cell A2 is greater than 5. If it's greater than 5, the function will return yes. 4 is greater, else it will return no. If error is another function that is popularly used. This function returns a value if an expression evaluates to an error, or else it will return the value of the expression. Suppose you want to divide 10 by 0. This is an invalid expression, as you can't divide a number by 0. It will result in an error.